Welcome back, Neurodivergent channel here. I'm really happy today. I want to show you how I realized this painting, this cute fox. I'm not talking too much now. I'm going to leave you to see the full entire process. It will be a speed painting, and then I'll be back here with you for details, greetings, and some other waves, kiss, cuddle, hugs, anything you want. Now, painting. There we go. Thank you if you enjoy this video, if you like it, and I'm going to show you the final result in the details close to the camera so you can see better anything about colors, final details. The paper I've used, well, the paper I've used, maybe I think it's one of the most beautiful paper I've used in my life, and this is from Hahnemuhle de Cézanne. Really rough because I like textured paper. And basically, if you saw, I realized the full entire painting only with these brushes. This is a Da Vinci mop, because this I try to do some washing painting. For the details, I've used this one is Princeton Aqua Elite. This is the last brush I've got a few days ago, and that's why I can't wait to try it on paper. As usual, I hope you enjoyed everything. Please let me know in the comment if you like that, if you want to contact me for anything, if you want I do something for you, if you want a commission, if you want committing me some, I don't know, portrait or other stuff like your dog, your cat, your hedgehog, I don't know what animal you love. Thank you for watching again. We'll see you next time with next painting, because I did a lot of painting during this period and I want to show you basically everything I realized. So thank you again for watching. See you next time, and keep on painting. Never stop practice.